Good morning, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amir Ali. I come from ICAST Yayasan Rumah Sakit Dr. Sutomo. I will present my article. The title of my article is Measurement of Problem Difficulty Level in User Interface Medical Management System, MMS application with heuristic evaluation approach at Surabaya Medical Hospital. Background of my research is the level of difficulty of the problem on the user interface has not been measured from SIM-RS application, System Information Management Hospital. The purpose of the research is to measure the level of difficulty of the user interface SIM-RS MMS Surabaya Medical Service Hospital use a heuristic evaluation approach. The method of the research used in this study was in form of distribution of questionnaire to the research object under investigation and apply the severity rating methodology to calculate the finding of the heuristic evaluation. In this research, usability measurement using heuristic evaluation of SIM-RS MMS. The research variable used in this study are visibility of system status, match between system and the real world, user control and freedom, consistency and standard, error prevention, recognition rather than recall, flexibility and efficient of use, aesthetic and minimalist design, help user recognize, dialogue, and recover from error. And the last is help and documentation. Now, by using heuristic evaluation, usability issue in SIM-RS MMS application can be identified. The average result of each attribute in each aspect or principle of the heuristic evaluation above were used to calculate questionnaire result. The problem can be assessed according to the level of difficulty of the problem. The security level of usability problem can be determined using the following scale of 0 to 4. Scale 0, there are no usability issue. Scale 1, cosmetic problem. It means problem does not need to be fixed unless there is time remaining in the project. Scale 2, category minor, usability issue. Resolve this issue given a low ranking. Scale 3, category major, usability issue. Resolve this issue given top priority. And scale 4, category usability disaster. This issue must be resolved prior to the product release. The result of the research is the table in aspect 1, visibility of system status. The value of the heuristic evaluation is represented by the list of severity rating value in the C, D, E, F, and G column. Column in E is the column that contains the number of severity rating obtained by adding the severity rating value together. According to the question is that and furthermore in column J, the severity rating value obtained is J is E 5, where 5 is the number of usability sub-aspect in the table 2. And this is the table of usability aspect and sub-aspect in heuristic evaluation. Aspect number 1, visibility of the system status. and sub-aspect usability in aspect 1 is 5. Each page has a title that describes the page content, and 2, its symbol or icon as well as the design scheme on each page is consistent. There is a visually distinguished ribbon when an object is pressed or selected. The menu and page name correspond to the content. 5, the display menu can already distinguish between the currently selected menu and those that are. This is the table of severity rating recapitulation in SIM-RS MMS application. The average value of the severity rating from aspect 1 until aspect 10. This is the number, and this the rounding of value and scale 4 and 5, 0 until 4. And the SIM-RS MMS application has usability problem with an average value 2.42 or scale of 2 based on the result of the heuristic evaluation. The severity rating on usability problem is minor usability category, indicating that the repair of this problem is given low priority. The result of the severity rating on usability problem is determined by a scale 0 to 4. The conclusion, based on the usability test with heuristic evaluation, the biggest usability problem is in the aspect of recognition rather than recall. Help user to recognize, diagnose, and solve problem with severity rating value of 6.75, while the lowest value is in the help user recognize, diagnose, and recover from the error aspect. Help user identify, diagnose, and recover from the error with severity rating of 1. It received a value of 2 in the 7 aspect of the heuristic evaluation technique, namely flexibility and efficiency, where the menu and other information of sub-aspect are well packaged, indicated that it's necessary to prioritize improvement from that side for SIM-RS MMS application. The overall average value of all usability aspect is 2.42 or a scale of 2, indicating that the problem categorized into minor usability problem with repair given low priority. Okay, that's my presentation about my article. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.